Wilkins. Madison Hawk will be on the sidelines for us tonight. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there.
Good pressure by Scotty Barnes. Here's KP coming across. 12-8 to put the Hawks up 4.
For injured people just like you.
Barrett lets it fly and connects. Second three and an 8-point first quarter for R.J. Barrett.
Like what we said, he has definitely improved on that three-point shot.